Yes children, good morning. Welcome back to Guinea Academy. Today let us start arithmetic progression exercise 5.2. Okay. Exercise 5.2 is first question. Fill in the blanks in the following table given that A is the first term and D is the common difference and an the nth term of an AP. So the table has given in that which one is the blank that we need to fill, and we need to consider A is the first term in an AP and D is the common difference and an is the nth term of an AP. So nth term, okay. Let us see one by one. The first one is A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3 and N is equal to 8, and we need to find out nth term. I already said in my introduction video nth formula. So nth formula is nothing but an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. So what is A? Nth only we need to find out now. So A is 7 and n minus 1. N is how much? 8. 8 minus 1 and D is 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7 into 3. So 7 plus 7 3 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. So nth term for this given A, D and N, it is 28. Clear? So just we need to apply the nth formula and substitute what and all they gave and need to find out what they asked. Okay. Let us see the second one. A is equal to minus 18 and D we need to find out, and nth term is 0. Okay. So let us write the formula for each and every time. Try to practice formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. While writing for each and every sum, it will get practice. Okay. A nth term is 0 and the first term is 18. N minus 1, what is n? 10 minus 1, and D we need to find out. 0 is equal to 18 plus 10 minus 1 nothing but 9D. So can I take this side? 18 plus D is equal to 0 and 9D is equal to 18 and D is equal to 18 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. So common difference here is 2. So what is D? 2. Okay, just apply the write the formula, apply to the formula what and all they gave, and you will get what they asked. Is it clear? Let us move to third question. Then the third question is first term only need to find. Common difference is minus 3 and number of terms are 18 and nth term is minus 5. Okay. So let us write the nth formula. A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is an minus 5? A we need to find out. N is 18 minus 1 and D is minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A plus 18 minus 1 is 17 and into minus 3. Minus 5 is equal to A plus, see here, plus into minus, minus. 73 is 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 73 is 51. Okay. Take the variable side, this side, left hand side, and constant right hand side. So A is equal to minus 5. If I transpose this side, it will become positive 51. So 50, 49, 48, 47, 46. 55 minus 5 is 46. Okay, the first A term here 46. Okay. Question is A is minus 18.9 and D is 2.5 and N, the number of terms in this AP we need to find out, and nth term is 3.6. Nth formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D and nth term is 3.6 and A is minus 18.9 and N we need to find out and D is 2.5. Okay. So here 3.6, if I transpose the minus 18.9 left hand side, it becomes positive 18.5, n minus 1 into 2.5. So 18.5 add 3.6 to it, 9 plus 6 is 15, 1 is the carry, 9 plus 3 is the 12, 1 is the carry 2. So it is 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5, isn't it? n minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 22.5 and n minus 1 is equal to 22.5. If you transpose this here multiplied, if you transpose it become divided. Okay. So it is 2.5 and if you cancel decimal you will get 225 upon 25. So 5 table, 5 5s are 5 4s are 20 and 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 9. If you transpose 1 this side and it comes 9 plus 1 is nothing but 10. Clear? And here decimal is there, you have to concentrate. See here minus 18.9, 2.5, n you have to find out, nth term is 3.6. an is equal to nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute nth term, a term, n minus 1 need to find out and 2.5. See here if you transpose this one this side it become positive and it become 22.5. Okay, n minus 1 into 2.5 and n minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 22.5. n minus 1 is equal to 22.5 upon 2.5. See here also one decimal. To cancel the decimal it has to be multiplied by 10, isn't it? And here also it has to be multiplied by 10. 10 getting cancelled, so I wrote directly, that's it. Is it no? To move right hand side multiply by 10 only. So both numerator and denominator I just cancelled directly. Remaining thing is 225 upon 25. I used 5 table, got 9, isn't it? So n minus 1 is equal to 9, n is equal to 9 plus 1. That is nothing but 10. Clear? Last sum is the fourth one actually and this is the fifth one. First term is the 3.5, common difference is 0 and number of terms are 105 and we need to find out nth term. Write the formula. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So a is 3.5, n is 105 minus 1 and d is 0. 3.5, look at here, anything multiplied with the 0 is 0. So nth term is 3.5 plus 0 is nothing but 3.5. So if the d term is only 0 means, so multiplied term full 0. So plus of 0 is the remaining a only, is it not? So they may ask like MCQ. If a has given common difference is 0, number of terms and na what will be the nth term? Nth term is nothing but the first term only, a only. So you have to recall the formula. So nth term of the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. If d term only 0 means this fully becomes 0. 0 plus a only. What the a value they will give, no, that only become nth term. Okay. So this is the first question. Let us see second question under exercise 5.2. Then the second question is, choose the correct choice in the following and justify. See, under second question, first and two sub questions are there and they gave an AP, okay, and they are asking 30th term of the AP. For the first question, 30th term of this given AP and 3 options they gave. See, here we need to find out, then only we can possible to see and check this whether which one is correct. Don't go to tick directly. Write the formula nth term of an AP, a plus n minus 1 into d. And here it is nothing but a is the first term and d, how to find d? Recall previous exercise, that is a2 minus a1. See children, a2 minus a1, a2 is 7 minus 10, a1 is 10, isn't it? So 10 is minus 3. Clear? So now n is 30, an is a30. So a30 is a plus n minus 1 into d means what is a? 10 plus 30 minus 1 into d. Be careful here. a1, a2, a3. The common difference is a2 minus a1. So 7 minus 10 is minus 3. Okay. So 10 plus 29 minus 1, 30 minus 1 is 29 minus 3 into 3. So plus into minus, 9 3s are 27, 2, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. So 10 minus 87. 87 minus 10 is 77. The greater value is negative. So it is minus 77. So the 30th term of this given AP is minus 77. Option C is the correct. Okay. Let us see the second question under this. The second sub question. This is the second sub question. Okay. Under second one. Find the 11th term of an AP. AP is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2. Okay. And options they given option A, B, C. Okay. We need to find and choose which one is correct. What is A in the given AP? The first term is minus 3. And what is the common difference? A2 minus A1. Which is A2? This is A1, this is A2. Minus 1 by 2 minus A1. A1 is minus 3. Be careful whenever the minus symbol is there. In formula itself negative and one more negative for A only. Okay. So now what it will become? Minus of plus minus into minus plus 3. Take the LCM, that is 2 3s are 2 only. No, you can take cross multiply. Okay. Minus 1 plus 2 3s are 6. So minus 1 plus 6 is 5 divided by 2. So 5 by 2 is our common difference. And what is the number of terms? 11th term we need to find. So AN is nothing but A11. Isn't it? So let us apply to the formula. A11 is equal to A plus N is 11 minus 1 into D is 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus 11 minus 1 is 10, isn't it? Into 5 by 2. See here, 2 and 5, 10 and 5 getting cancelled. No, 5, 2 1s are 2 5s are. Minus 3 plus 5 5s are 25. So minus 3 plus 25 is 24, 23, 22. Isn't it? That too plus 22. So which is the 11th term? That is plus 22. Option B. So like this, let's say they can ask any term for the given AP and we need to apply the nth term and find, then finally we need to choose which one is correct in the given option. Don't make hurry and just ticking, no, let me tick, let me guess and tick. It leads wrong only, right? So that is what, do it once, then you tick the answer. Isn't it? I hope it is clear.